Hey guys, this is Chelsea with Hennapreneur, and today I want to talk to you about something that's a little bit on the less sexy side of business, okay? We need to talk about money and we need to talk about how you manage your money. If you don't know what a profit and loss statement is, that's super okay. Let me break it down. A profit and loss statement is a document that you use to track both the revenue that your business brings in and the expenses that your business pays out. Now, profit and loss statements can be used on a monthly basis, a quarterly basis, an annual basis, but more ideally, you're using all three. The goal of using a profit and loss statement is to have a clear understanding of the financial well-being of your business. This is going to be a place where you document all of the expenses that you've had, you itemize them by category, and then you also look at your income. On a monthly basis, the profit and loss statement is mostly to help you assess the expenses that you're making. On a quarterly basis, you're looking at both the trend in your income and your expenses, and it helps you to establish cash flow or to get a better sense of your cash flow within your business. On an annual scale, your profit and loss statement tells you if your business is viable, if you are maintaining high enough profit margins, or what's happening with the financial well-being and the financial health of your business. The profit and loss statement makes it very easy for you to make business decisions based on financial backing. Now, I'll be really honest. For some people, profit and loss statements can be anxiety inducing, and I get it. Sometimes it's really scary and intimidating to look at the numbers of our business. But if you don't know what's going on with the financial side of your business, then you really don't know what your business is doing at all. The profit and loss statements don't only help you to be proactive, they also help you have a very clear understanding of the ongoings of your business at any point in time. Personally, I love using a profit and loss statement because it helps me assess where I'm spending the most money and when. This is really helpful for me because it makes it clear how and when I need to plan for expenses so that I can save for those expenses using my business's revenue during other months. If you don't already have a profit and loss statement, I've got you covered. I've created a bundle of beautiful profit and loss statements that are already ready to go. They have the income categories and all of the itemized expense categories that you need for your henna business. They're prepared on a monthly, quarterly, and annual basis so that you can go in and just add your figures in very easily. You can learn more and grab your own copy of our profit and loss statement bundle over at the shop at hennapreneur.com.